All right, folks, you're going to go to this website here, houseviewonline.com, and you'll use it kind of in cahoots with realtor.com if you can't get all the information you need from the first site, okay? So your goal is going to be to find, and I can't remember how many it says on the paper, I think in total like 15 to 20. You won't find all of those probably in one day, so don't feel like you have to rush. But you're going to find a variety of prices. So you need to find some that are like below 150, some that are like 200,000 and up, and then some that are like, way up there. You can find $1 million house or whatever. So let's say I want to do this one for Cape Girardeau. You need to create a folder on your U drive in your project folder for this, the real estate project. And then you need to, when you pick one to do, you're going to be looking for the MLS number. This is something you're going to record on that recording sheet. You got to find all the information, and some of these websites don't give you the square footage. So if that's a situation for you, you can take the MLS number, go over to realtor.com and search by the MLS number. That should locate that property, unless that property's already been sold. And sometimes on House View Online, they don't get them taken off very quickly. So you can see this one didn't turn up anything. But fortunately, we have the square footage here on this one, 2,305. So you might glance at first, and if you don't have all the information, just skip that one and pick a different one. In your folder, you're going to be saving a copy of the image that's the main page, the outside image of the property. So when you click on Save Image, it should automatically save it as the MLS number. That's critical because you got to match these up to the right ones later on. Okay, so notice here that's MLS 83632, and then when we go over there, it's the same one. And then, of course, you can take a few minutes and check out the house and see if you'd really like to live there. They usually will have inside photos and outside photos of the houses, and you do have to make some notes on there about the house. Some things so you can remember which house it is and so forth under description or special features. So like this special feature, it has 12-foot ceilings and new hardwood floors. Or if you like stainless steel appliances, you can mention that. Or it can be based on the outside photos. If it had a pool or a really nice deck or something like that, that would work too. So anyway, but you've got a paper to pick up. Make sure you pick up the paper. And then start looking at some houses. They do need to be Cape and Jackson only because you're going to be using this project for the duration of the class. I mean, it's going to be due in May. And so what you're going to do is we're going to be using this. We're going to be creating a database. We're going to be doing queries on the database. We're going to be creating Excel spreadsheets from this data, doing some stuff in Word, doing some things in PowerPoint. So you're going to be using these all semester long. But for today, just try to make good progress on starting your data collection. And have fun.